Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Are you looking for a step-by-step guide to clean your Epson printer's printhead? That's great, since cleaning the printhead fixes a lot of issues and ensure quality print. So, today I'm going to show you how to do printhead cleaning manually and in the right way, without causing any damage to any parts. So let's dive in. First, turn on your printer. Lift up the control panel and open the inner cover. Now, give a copy command to get the printhead moving. As soon as the printhead slides to the left, unplug the power cord. Lift up the scanner's unit. Unscrew the screw on the left side. Lift the scanner unit and keep it propped up with a sturdy object. Slide the printhead to the middle. Take off the top cover. Now, gently press the tabs on the ink cartridges and pull them out. Press the tabs on the white plate from the left and the right sides and remove it. Unscrew the 3 screws that hold the printhead in place. Carefully lift out the printhead without causing any damage. Remove the chip from the printhead. Clean the printhead by rubbing it gently on a wet tissue or a lint-free cloth. Once the printhead looks clean, reassemble everything the way it was.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.